Ready to supercharge your programming skills? We're about to unlock the secret blocks that make you Python ready. Today we're becoming block masters. We'll explore the 5 essential block categories, practice our Python Ready toolkit, and build an awesome Hello program. Let's dive in. Here are the 5 essential block types. Orange variables store our data. Green operators handle math and comparisons. Yellow control blocks make decisions and create loops. Light blue sensing blocks get input from users. And purple events trigger our programs to start. Now watch these blocks work together. Yellow asks a question, orange stores the answer, purple operators check the name length, green control decides what to say, and light blue outputs the result. This is how they combine to create interactive programs. Let's build our first program. When the green flag clicks, we say hello for 2 seconds, then welcome everyone to programming. Simple but powerful. Now watch this magic. We ask the user's name and wait for their answer. Then our sprite says their name back. The answer block remembers what they typed. How cool is that? Quick thinking time? If someone types Ali, what will our sprite say? Exactly. The sprite will say Ali. The answer block captures whatever the user types and uses it perfectly. Amazing work! We just conquered the 5 essential block categories that form our programming foundation. Our Python Ready toolkit includes variables, input, output, control, and operators. Plus, we built interactive programs that actually talk to users. You've totally mastered the essential blocks.